Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are new here, you're definitely welcome to the Miss Kobeli channel, and I hope that by the end of this video you would have subscribed and given this video a thumbs up. A while ago I created a video on a faux bang hairstyle, and that video did really well. Unfortunately, that hairstyle only works when you have like a fresh, very sharp and defined retwist. It's more on the neat side, and it means that on my no retwisting journey I can't really do it, and it's sad because that's like the only style that I have actually perfected and I'm super good at and look good in as well. So I decided to create a version of the hairstyle where you can execute the same look without having to retwist your hair. I'm gonna take my hair down, and first, before anything, my hair is clean. I washed it about like 2-3 days ago, so I am due for moisturizing and moisturizing my scalp and my actual hair. I've created 2 different videos on how I moisturize my scalp and how I moisturize my low porosity hair. I'm not gonna really get into it with this video. If you're interested to see the products that I use to moisturize my hair and also moisturize my scalp, please make sure to check those videos out. I'll make sure to link them in the description box. Maybe just set up a few cards here and there. As I always say, my scalp is always dry and it's dandruff prone, so I feel like this concoction that I've put together has actually been helping, and I've seen that the amount of dandruff that my scalp produces is actually lessened with time. So if you have similar issues, make sure that you go check out that video, as well as how I moisturize my low porosity hair. The rule of thumb when you plan on manipulating your hair or doing a style is to make sure that you dampen your hair. It's not ideal to style or manipulate dry hair because it's more brittle and susceptible to breakage. So whenever you want to change your style, don't try, just do it. Just dampen your hair, and that will make it supple and less susceptible to breakage.
Something's up because you call me. Wonder if I see it in your eyes. You just wanna hear me cause you're lonely. You're the wanna be there by your side. But for better things, you know that this was better. Wanna take it back, you know I still remember. I know that you hate when I catch you in a lie. Even more when you know I'm right. You didn't think that I'd be so good, but you didn't think that I'd be having doing so good, but you didn't think that I'd be having doing so good. Don't give up the best thing you ever had. I'll be doing so.
So this is taking a bit of time because my hair is really dry, and as you can see from my collar, all the water is just literally sliding down my scalp. It means that my hair is not taking the moisture at all, so I have to manually work the liquid in. Again, if you're interested in my process, what I'm using and why I'm doing what I'm doing, please make sure to check out the video on how I moisturize my locks, because I promise you, if you follow those steps, your hair will just flourish. Done with my new growth, so I'm going to move on to the actual locked hair. And you don't really need a lot for this, otherwise your locks are gonna be super damp and you're gonna risk getting mold. So a little goes a long way, really. It's just to, you know, bring life to your locks and to give them a little bit of love. So after I spray it, I squeeze the liquid in there and make sure it's fully absorbed into the hair.
I know something's up because you called me. Wonder if I see it in your eyes. You just wanna hear me cause you're lonely. You're the wanna be there by your side. For better days, you know that this is better.
And now, of course, for the scalp, you can never forget the scalp. I still haven't found a squeeze bottle anywhere. I know that somebody had recommended that I try Crazy Store. I tried the one in Woodmead and I tried the one in Balfour. Nothing. Like I don't know where to go. I was actually really tempted to get the condiment squeeze bottles, but they were also like extremely big. It just made no sense. So I'm still using my bowl. I pour my oil in a little bowl and then I just use my finger to apply it as I need, and that's what we're gonna do now.
I know something's up because you called me. Wonder if I see it in your eyes. You just wanna hear me cause you're lonely. You're the wanna be there by your side. For better days, you know that this is better. Wanna take it back, you know I still remember. I know that you hate when I catch you in a lie. Even more when you know I'm right. You didn't think that I'd be so good, but you didn't think that I'd be having doing so good. But you didn't think that I'd be having doing so good. Don't give up the best thing you ever had. I'll be doing so good.
I'm going to take a little bit of my essential oils and apply it on my actual locks. Ooh, guys, one of the essential oils in my little concoction is already working overtime. I can feel this tingling sensation on my scalp. It feels divine. Take a guess, let me know in the comment section what you think this hair oil is. It's very popular in the natural hair community. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you know what it is. And let me know if it's an oil that you enjoy, if you enjoy the full experience the way that I do. I'm looking in the mirror right now and oh my word, am I the only one that appreciates how full and how much volume your hair has when it's not retwisted? Like, I live for my hair like this. It's just, it's divine. I feel like I've said divine more than once now. I need to work on my adjectives, but yeah, it looks amazing. Yeah. Who knows, this might just be the end of this video. I'm joking. Let's get to the styling. Okay, so this hairstyle requires no tools, no operators, nothing. You're literally just going to use your hair as it is. I'm going to flip over, bring all of my locks to the front. And you're going to take locks on towards the back of your head, I guess, on both sides of your head, and you're going to tie the hair So like so. And then you're going to grab sections adjacent to the one that you just tied. And you're going to tie that again. So you're pretty much just going to keep tying your hair until all of it is tied up pretty much. And you need to try and leave the shorter hair in the front because that's going to be our fringe. Those are going to contribute to the actual hairdo.
Cause you call me. Wonder if I see it in your eyes. You just wanna hear me cause you're lonely. Wanna be there by your side. For better things, you know that this was better. Wanna take it back, you know I still remember. I know that you hate when I catch you in a lie. Even more when you know I'm right. You didn't think that I'd be so good, but you didn't think that I'd be doing so good, but you didn't think that I'd be doing so good. Looking for the best thing you ever had.
when you're done, I switch to the side. You can see that some of the locks are still pointing forwards, and that is mainly because we worked with dry hair. You know, when you work with wet locks, they're easy to shape and the weight of the water is holding it down. So at this stage, you can just go ahead and spray your hair with water, or you can wear a head wrap just for a few minutes to get the hair to lie flat on your forehead like a fringe would. I must say that I'm actually really impressed. Wow, the things we do. I'm really impressed with how this hairdo came out. Like, it's very organic, but it looks very neat and very appealing. And like, my growth is still doing its thing at the back and in the front, but it doesn't look hideous. And I think it's because the bun is not such a perfect shape. So everything looks cohesive and it looks like it should be this way.
I know something's up because you called me. Wonder if I see it in your eyes.
I love this hairdo. I love everything about it. It looks very fresh, very funky, it looks sophisticated. It looks right. It looks put together so damn beautifully. I love it. And I think the more you try it, or in fact, the next time you try it, it's probably not gonna look exactly like this because it's very organic. I don't think you'd have that much control over the outcome, but it's always something that you can finesse, like we just did in this video. I'm very curious to hear what you guys think about this final look. Is it something that you would try, or do you prefer the twisted hair version of the hairdo? I love them both, and they're both necessary. As always, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I thoroughly enjoyed creating this video. I enjoyed trying out this hairstyle. I am enjoying the outcome as well, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please make sure to give it a huge thumbs up and let me know what you think of this hairstyle in the comment section below. I'm very interactive and I enjoy reading and also responding to all of your comments. Let me know if this is a hairstyle that you will be trying soon, and if you do, remember to please tag me in your pictures should you post them on Instagram. And in the usual fashion of YouTube, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button so that we can make this family a lot bigger. Until next time, I love you guys so much. Bye!
I know something's up.